Hello, Interwebs World. My name is Chris Osner, and this is our 1972 Chevy Beauville G10 Sport Van. It's hard to get that right, but we picked this thing up a year ago from a guy. I believe they revived it and flipped it to us. They got running well enough. I think they threw looks like a newish fuel pump. They put an aluminum intake on it and some cool SoCal or Cal custom valve covers. So it looked cool. It ran good while we were buying the thing. We only made it 2 miles down the road before the brakes seized up. In front of a child daycare center. So imagine being stuck in front of that place in a 70s Chevy van. So yeah, that was a little sketchy, but we got it towed home. And then yeah, we tinkered around with it. Brakes were locked up. I got it moving a little bit, but basically it started running, worse. To not running at all. The intake was just leaking all over the place. So it got to where, the brakes were stuck, and it pretty much wouldn't start. So it sat around here for, life happened. It sat in our yard for, mostly a year, and then just kind of coincidentally, this car show, and I was already starting to tinker on it. I ordered to replace the intake gasket. I just ordered a new intake. Edelbrock sells this nice little kit with everything in it. We threw a different carburetor on it, updated a couple things under there, or moved a couple things around to where it's more pleasing to us, and we bought new calipers. Already changed the rubber lines. I still got to change the rubber line in the rear and the wheel cylinders. But the main issue is the front brakes. So the question is, did we revolve and drove it? Yes, she is revoved and drove, and we're stoked. We're going to do some more driving around the neighborhood. Next week, inspection. New tires, definitely. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as us. Hopefully we win a prize. But really, this is the prize. Yeah, we're messing around with the cool van. So we're stoked either way. And yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for your time. Bye. Oh, you should show it up close. Then just chuck it out on the road. I don't care about this. Still got the toolbox for now.
You just showed the camera like that. Alright, whenever you want it.
Yep. Not even see.
I guess this doesn't really move.
Wow. I mean, seriously, dude.
My phone is right here.
All right. Okay, wire back in. I think, maybe. We got fuel pressure now. All right. Let's try it again. All right, I guess it's running. Must be the starter making that racket. Alright, see if it'll move. Not sure I ever rolled this window down before.
Like the right side, Brent?
It might not be.
Can't get it to go down all the way.
Is it not deep enough?
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's why they have deep wall sockets, because sometimes they're not deep enough. Man, hold on, people. Makes a good background. If you need a green screen, call us.